The false break candle strategy works on all time frames. We look for major swings in the markets and draw horizontal lines to mark off the points of support and resistance. The false break candle strategy is effective in providing traders with a system that has a high risk-reward ratio and a high win rate. It can be difficult to find strategies that retain both of these aspects, which is why the false break candle strategy can be a very useful tool in a trader's arsenal. We are always taking our positions at major swings, looking for reversals that move quickly in our desired direction. If we are near a swing high but fail to break through, that is an indication that the buy pressure may be weakening compared to the selling pressure. We look to take advantage of these moments by entering into a trade against what the dominant trend has been, with the idea that the traders that were trend trading that move will need to liquidate their position, giving added strength to your direction. Taking a look at an example on the Nasdaq 100 futures, there was a low put in on the 3rd of December. A few weeks later, price retraces back and breaks through this level, but does not have enough momentum to continue with the bearish move. The strategy goes like this. Once price is broken through our swing low, we mark it. We now need to close above the high of this candle for the entry to be confirmed, because this is our false break candle. We place a stop loss below the low of the false break candle. Let's take a look at another example, this time using a 5-minute chart. We clearly see a strong downtrend in this move, which lasted for about 3 hours. The market puts a low in at 10 AM before consolidating for a while. The bears attempt to push even lower, but the market reverses sharply after breaching the recent low. To take the trade, we wait for a close above the high of our breakout candle, and 3 candles later we get our confirmation and enter with a long order. In this trade, we see a strong move to the upside, which is exactly what we want to see when trading the false break candle strategy. The strong rejection happens because the selling pressure is not adequate enough to continue making lower lows, and so traders that were short begin buying back their positions and taking profit. As a reversal strategy, we are always looking to enter positions at the extremes of each market move. This is just one example of the many strategies you can use at OneUp Trader. In fact, there are no restrictions on how you can trade with us. If you have what it takes, then you can be fully funded within 15 days after signing up. Don't take our word for it. Look through the various testimonials, trading interviews, and funded trader withdrawals on our YouTube channel. You can find everything you need on our FAQ section, and you can speak to our support team, which is available 24/7. Track your trading performance using our advanced account analytics feature. Discuss trading ideas with other traders on the members area and Discord trading room too. Don't risk your own capital in the markets. Rather, prove your trading ability with OneUp Trader and enjoy a risk-free funded trading account. Click the link below or go to oneuptrader.com to find out more.